Hello, this is how to register for AAA with Assist Driver Training in Lexington, South Carolina. Once you receive your email from us that includes your coupon code for AAA, you'll need to select that code with your mouse. Then you can right-click on it and choose Copy. If you're doing this on your telephone, you can probably tap on that code to select it and then long press on it, and you should get a menu with an option to copy. Once you've copied this code, then you'll want to go down to the link for the AAA driving course and click on that link, and it should take you to the AAA website. The first thing you'll need to do then is enter your zip code for your home address. Ours is 29073 for the Red Bank area of Lexington. Then you'll click Submit. Then you will choose Continue as Guest. Then it should bring you to this screen where you will then choose Sign Up. Once you reach this screen, then you're going to find the box where it says Coupon Code. Click into that box, and with a mouse on a computer, you can right-click and choose Paste. If you're on a phone, I believe a long press into that box, long press with your finger, will give you the option to paste. Once the code is in there, then you're going to click Apply Coupon. You should see a message here that says Coupon Code Applied Successfully. Once you see that message, you can scroll down the page and begin to fill out the student information. This will always be the student's information here. Do not use the parent's information in this area. This is a fake registration just for this demonstration. So we're going to use the name Jane Doe. Jane. It says a middle name is required. I'm going to use the middle name Assist. Jane Assist Doe. Create a password. This will be whatever you would like for it to be, and I'm sure there are some restrictions on. You most likely have to use some capital letters, some lowercase letters, some numbers, and at least one symbol, such as an exclamation point or an @ symbol, the little A with the circle around it, or hashtag or something like that. So let's see if it'll take what I'm putting here. And email address. Ooh, I don't want to use our real email address because, again, it might mess up our administrative account, which I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to use something that I created a while back for testing purposes. mark.hyman.junk@gmail.com. All right. Now, there are lots of questions down below here that you have to fill out. And these are questions that are used to verify that the person actually taking the course is the same person who registered. Before I scroll down, if you're doing this on a cell phone, this information over here to the right side might be hidden. It might be off the screen. But if you take your finger and drag the screen toward the left, you'll be able to see what's over here on the right. But do not click this place order button until you've gone all the way to the bottom and filled out all the information there. All right, so this fills in automatically some of the information. Billing information. You're not going to be billed for this, even though it's listed as billing information. If you do not have a driver license or permit to drive, put NA. Interesting. So I don't know for sure if it does any cross-checking on this number or if you have to put in a valid number. I'm going to try this. Ooh, also phone number. I don't want to associate this fake account with anything real. So phone number 803 123 4567. Hopefully that will not get kicked out. Street address 123 Let's see if it takes this. I don't know. City and state. South Carolina. Student's date of birth. Let's use today's date. But with the year of 2013, why did that pop in there? 2013, that's interesting. I wonder if that's like I guess some kind of default information. 2013, someone born in 2013 would not yet be 15 years old. So let's change this to 2008. Now, here's where we get to the parent and guardian information. Okay. I don't know if it'll take it like this, but I'm going to try this. Guardian email. not a legitimate email address, but just to fill the blank. Oh, I've got to put the @ symbol right there, not the period. Okay, and I'm not going to check this box here either. Mailing address is not different than billing address. Okay, so all these yes/no questions, just for me, because this is a fake account, I'm going to say no. Is your family's primary motor vehicle red? No, 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 no. And I'm taking whatever option is on the right to be consistent with all these no's. Okay. All right, all of these options have been selected. So now I'm scrolling back to the top and hit place order. All right, let's see if I get any errors. You'll be redirected to the My Course page within the next 2 seconds. There we go. All done. All right. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Assist Driver Training. Our phone number is 803-881-8686, or you can reach us through email at info@assistdrivertraining.com. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.